In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your interior of HubSpot and navigate to your blog tool. You can find them by going to marketing and then finding blogs right here. If you can find it, you can also just click onto the search bar and search right here for blog. You can find them typically under the apps, so make sure to click on this right here. Once you have done that, this will direct you to the HubSpot blog itself. And once it's done onto this case, you can actually just set up your blog or create a new one. So click on this create. You can also start with AI if you have a higher subscription. So click on this right here. Then select in here a blog that you want, as well as a post language. Click on this create blog post. Then after that, it will be created right here. You can just proceed to customize it however you see fit. So just edit it, add some more things, objects, and blocks. Just input right here the onboarding and then the header and legs. And once you're done, head over and save and publish this. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.